Why don't senior citizens use glitter on their Christmas crafts? Because they understand that all that glitters might end up in their dentures. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on Christmas crafts for seniors. Tip 1. Keep it simple. Seniors may have limitations such as poor eyesight or arthritis, making complex crafts difficult. Stick to simple, beautiful Christmas crafts. Boarding ornaments with glitter, gluing fabric to paper to create a Christmas tree, or personalizing stockings with fabric paint require easy, repetitive actions that most seniors can manage. Tip 2. Introduce them to origami. Origami is a relaxing craft that can also help improve seniors' dexterity and concentration. Their fold and crease action can be therapeutic for many. Get holiday-themed origami papers and help them create Christmas trees, stars or reindeer, etc. Tip 3. Utilize felt fabrics. Seniors can enjoy making crafts with felt. It's easy to handle and doesn't fray. They can cut out Christmas-themed shapes such as reindeers or Santa's hat, which can be sewn or glued together to make cute decorations. Tip 4. Christmas wreath making. Wreath making can be a fun, creative outlet for seniors. Provide a plain wreath and let them embellish it with flowers, ribbons, baubles or pine cones. Tip 5. Bead crafts. Working with beads can be good for improving motor skills in seniors. They can string beads to create festive Christmas tree garlands or even make beaded ornaments. Tip 6. Card making. Handmade cards have a charm to them. Engage seniors in making personalized Christmas cards with colorful papers, ribbon, glitter or small buttons. They can turn out to be beautiful gifts for friends and family. Tip 7. Clay crafts. Polymer clay is really easy to mold and bake into everlasting ornaments. They can create clay snowmen, little Christmas trees, or even bake imprints of their grandkids' hands to create keepsakes. Tip 8. Recycle material. Incorporate everyday items into your projects. Old buttons, fabric scraps, and previously used holiday decorations can be incorporated into new, fun Christmas crafts. Tip 9. Create personalized baubles. Seniors can have fun decorating and personalizing simple Christmas baubles with names, small messages, or little drawings using a paint marker. They not only add to Christmas tree decorations, but also make thoughtful gifts. Tip 10. Knitting or crocheting Christmas decorations. If the senior is already skilled in knitting or crocheting, they can create small items like Christmas stars, mini hats, or even tiny snowmen. Tip 11. Provide ample daylight and break time. Make sure your crafting area is well lit, preferably with natural daylight, to avoid straining the eyes. Remember to take frequent breaks to stretch and rest, which is important in preventing fatigue.